everyone. And this time around it is in Chitlom. So we had a 2-hour drive from Bangkok, and yeah, that was a really tough drive, man. So we had to drive all the way from Pattaya to here, and we tried like a lot of Grab rides, but a lot got cancelled because they didn't just want to drive to Bangkok. This is way too far. So from Pattaya to Bangkok, it's like almost 2 hours, maybe, including traffic, because traffic is really bad in Bangkok. So yeah, that's the thing. So I just checked in my hotel. It's a really nice 5-star hotel, and look at this view, man. It's really amazing. So I finally got to Bangkok. So we'll be staying here 5 nights, and yeah, this is basically headquarters for the next 5 days. And let's go back into the room. So I'll give you a small room tour. I'll turn around the camera so you can see it better. Oh yeah, we got the bed over here. Nice mirror, some kind of painting over here, which probably represents Bangkok, I guess. You got your phone over here, some kind of scribbles. You got a basic desk. No, more like a dining table or something. A couch and a chair for your desk. Big TV, which I never use. Some kind of bench to put your luggage, I guess. The minibar is free. They said this is free. You can drink this every day. And, yeah, so that's really nice. That's complimentary. Some cutlery stuff. And these are probably also included, so you can eat these snacks, drink coffee, tea, whatever. And there's even a microwave in here, so you can heat up things if you buy something from the 7-Eleven or something. Cupboard. Got a nice vault over here. Bathrobes, and I don't know what this is. Oh, this is for your. Oh, this is nice. This is I've never seen this before. It's like for your shoes. You can place your shoes over here, and these are drawers. Yeah, it looks really nice. Free umbrella, which you can use. You cannot take those home, of course, but you can use it if it rains in Bangkok. Some kind of, I think it's like the circuit breaker thing, which is also standard. A nice mirror. This is the mirror. The bathroom. I haven't showed the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Turn on the camera so you can see it a little bit. How big it is. Like if I walk in here, it's not really a big shower. Yeah, so shower over here. I think they do provide the bath gel over here. Bath gel. It's really small actually. Shampoo, body lotion, so it's like a daily use. They probably refill it like tomorrow. Hair dryer. This is like, I don't know, it's nothing. Bathtub, Japanese toilet, which is really surprising that a Japanese toilet in Bangkok. Never seen that much before. A telephone if something happens over here, in case you like slip or you heard something, you can just contact the reception. 2 bath towels, hand towels, face towels. Slip mat, those things, and that's basically it. So that is the small room tour of my Bangkok room, which is around 38 square meters, I think. but it doesn't really look that big. So if you look at the fire escape plan, you can see it. It's like I've got this room, but if you look at the room next to me, is like a suite kind of thing. So and corner rooms do have like a balcony, so it's really nice to have a balcony. And in the middle, there's like a big space, like where you can look up and down from the floors. But yeah, this is basically it. And look at the view, man. This is really nice. So you got a nice couch over here, or like a bench chair thing with a table. And Bangkok, this is Bangkok, man. So beautiful. What a view. I've never experienced such a beautiful view in Bangkok before. This is straight up the best spot you can get. This is not the top floor, so I'll show you a bit more on the other side. You can see it over there. Like, there's even more rooms above me. So this is not the top floor. I think there's maybe like another 5 floors extra. But yeah, that's basically it, man. So really nice room. I do hope to shoot a lot of content here in Bangkok, like food markets, shopping malls, just street food. We're gonna visit some temples maybe, but this is what our home base for the next 5 nights. So, and then I'm gonna fly back to my home. But in December, I'm probably not gonna travel because it's just way too expensive, and I just want to be at home. You know, it's like just chill around at home. So this is the final trip of 2024. But in 2025, I might do something different again. Maybe travel a bit more just to shoot content. But I can recommend this hotel, Grand Center Point Ploenchit, it's called. So I will show that to you. Hotel name right now. So this is what it's called. Grand Center Point Ploenchit in Bangkok, and it's in Chitlom. So it's a really nice hotel. Really, but you have to pay like the deposit for 3,000 baht, which I think is a bit on the high side, because most of the hotels are like 1,000 or maybe 2,000. But considering this a 5-star hotel, they probably like want you to pay down payment deposit, because if something like breaks, like if you break the chair or you take the hairdryer with you, then they just deduct it from your deposit. Amazing to be back in Bangkok, man. Different kind of vibe. But yeah, I'm gonna start here soon. I think I'm gonna chill around here, just eat some dinner, and then we will go out, I guess. Alright, man. Thanks for watching this room tour, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace.